Tired of staring at that frustrating access denied message on GoDaddy? Let's fix that and get you back in control. First, the most common culprit, your login credentials. Double-check that you're entering your exact username and password. Typos are easy to make, especially with complex passwords. If you're unsure, try resetting your password. Immediately go to the GoDaddy login page. Look for the Forgot Password link and follow the prompts. This usually involves receiving an email with a reset link. Next up, let's consider permissions. If you're trying to access a GoDaddy account belonging to someone else, or if you're a team member, you might not have the necessary authorization for account owners. Navigate to your account settings and locate the user permissions or account access section. Ensure your own account or the account you're using has the correct privileges to access the specific service you're trying to reach, like managing your domain or hosting. Sometimes, the issue isn't with your credentials or permissions, but with your browser. Try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. This removes temporary data that might be causing conflicts. After clearing, close and reopen your browser completely. Then attempt to log in to GoDaddy again for persistent issues. Consider trying a different web browser altogether. Finally, if you've tried all these steps and are still stuck, don't panic. Reach out to GoDaddy's customer support. They have direct access to your account status and can often resolve complex access issues quickly. With these steps, you should be well on your way to uninterrupted access to your GoDaddy services.